Ever wonder why you yawn even when you're not tired? It's a lot more complex than you think. One theory is your brain is trying to cool down. Yawning increases blood flow and brings in a fresh burst of cool air. Another reason could be a lack of oxygen. A yawn acts like a signal, telling your body to take in more air. Of course, it's also a classic sign of fatigue. Your body is literally sighing, asking for a break. And sometimes it's just a reflex. Ever noticed how yawning is contagious? Seeing or hearing one can trigger your own. The next time you yawn, remember, it's your body sending you a message. Don't ignore it.